Hello, today I will show you how you can make any field in your project a mandatory field. So for this example, I have a few text fields. I have a numeric field, date field, and a drop-down menu. So let's go ahead and make all of them mandatory. And to do so, click on your field and then the settings wheel, go to interactivity, and then check off mandatory. I'm gonna do that for each one of my fields. You will notice that on your project, once you selected mandatory, all your fields have an asterisk next to them. Let's save and preview. So let's see what will happen if your user does not fill out all the fields. We get a message telling us which fields are mandatory and the user needs to fill out. We see that once the user has filled out all the mandatory fields, we were able to push the opportunity. If we check our Salesforce, we see that we were successfully able to complete the push. Once again, this is how you would make sure any of your elements becomes mandatory.